Welcome back. Still weaker for the markets. It's slipping from the day's high, 8069 in the Nifty. The Bank Nifty too has dipped into the red. But one stock, the stock which is currently on our radar is Elecon Engineering. Prashant C. Amin, the ED of the company, joins in now. Hi Prashant, afternoon.
Hi.
First, could you explain the reason for the weakness in your top line? Even in Q1, your revenues fell by nearly 3.5–4%. This quarter too, the top line was lower by 5%. What's the problem? Is it demand? Is the company losing market share? When can we expect a recovery?
Well, the overall scenario in the project scenes in the economy is quite poor, and that is the only reason why our top line has not grown and pretty much has remained flat. In terms of any other loss of market share, as a matter of fact, I would say that we have probably gained to the tune of between 2 to 5% market share of whatever type of business that is out there.
All right, Mr. Amin, while your order intake was lower as compared to the previous year, your order book still remains pretty much the same. So is there any particular execution issue that you're facing?
No, the execution issue actually comes from the customer side, where their ability to pick up the goods from us is actually not that very high. And that is the reason we are constrained only by the pickup of goods from our end by our customers. The execution, as a matter of fact, if you see operationally, we have improved substantially over the last 1 year from the EBITDA margins as well as the gross margins that we have done.
Okay. So, Mr. Amin, we'll have to leave it at that. Thanks so much. Apologies for that and thanks for joining in. But Mr. Kishore Kharat, the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank, is addressing the media.